Public procurement lawyers versus bidding advisory firms. Which one is better for winning government contracts? Most businesses get this wrong. They think winning government contracts is all about having a strong product or service. The surprising truth is that navigating procurement law and designing a compelling bid are two very different challenges, and choosing the right expert can make or break your success. Public procurement lawyers specialize in the legal rules governing government contracts. They ensure compliance with procurement regulations, advise on eligibility criteria, and review contract terms to reduce risk. For example, a construction company bidding for a municipal infrastructure project can rely on a procurement lawyer to interpret complex bid clauses, highlight potential liabilities, and ensure the proposal meets all statutory requirements. Bidding advisory firms, on the other hand, focus on strategy and proposal design. They analyze the government's evaluation criteria, craft persuasive narratives, and optimize pricing and technical proposals to maximize scoring. A firm with experience in federal healthcare contracts, for instance, can advise a tech provider on positioning their solution to meet evaluation benchmarks, improving the chances of selection. Key difference is clear: lawyers protect you from legal missteps, while advisory firms enhance your competitive edge. The most successful approach combines both. Start with a public procurement lawyer to confirm legal compliance, then engage a bidding advisory firm to craft a winning proposal. The takeaway is simple: ignoring legal guidance risks disqualification, while neglecting strategic proposal design reduces your chance of winning. The surprising truth is that companies leveraging both expertise often secure contracts faster, reduce litigation risks, and strengthen their long-term government relationships. In today's competitive procurement landscape, balancing legal compliance with bid optimization is not optional, it's essential for success.